Hi everyone, and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to show you what is Flipboard, and I'm going to also show you a complete demo on how to use Flipboard effectively. This is going to be for marketers. Anybody can use these tips, but it's going to be specifically geared towards marketers and how to use Flipboard, how to get started, how to get set up, how it works, and what to do to start seeing some traffic using Flipboard. So with that being said, I'm going to go over the main bullet points of what Flipboard is. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to show you how this is all set up, and I'm going to show you how to create a board, and then I'm going to show you how to flip stuff you find on the internet into your boards so you can eventually get traffic from Flipboard, which is the whole point of it. So with that being said, let's dive in. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT real quick and show you some of the bullet points I have laid out. First off, we'll do a little drawing here. What is Flipboard? So you can follow along with me. It's a personalized news aggregator. It curates news and stories based on your interests, combining articles, videos, and social media updates into one place. It's got that interactive magazine style, similar to Pinterest, but not quite the same, but easy to use, easy to understand. Offers a sleek, easy to read format with an engaging and visually appealing design that mimics a traditional magazine. How to use Flipboard. You got getting started. Obviously, you're going to download and install the Flipboard app. Then sign up and create an account to begin personalizing your news experience. Customize your feed. You want to select topics of interest and follow specific publications or users that tailor your feed to your preferences. I'm going to start circling these so we can follow along. Exploring content next. Use the search function to discover news stories and save or share your favorite articles with just a few taps. Real easy to use. Creating your magazines. This is the last point here, and I'm going to get into actually showing you how to use it. Collect and organize articles into custom magazines and share them with others for collaborative curation and discovery. So that's the generic ChatGPT version. Now we're going to go into Flipboard itself, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Going back over to Flipboard. And we're going to delete these real quick. We're going to go back so these aren't distracting. My little points. 2, 3, 4. There we go. Good to go. All right, now we're on, get rid of this. Now we're on Flipboard's main page. It's similar to Pinterest, but not quite. And if you use it correctly, you can get a lot of traffic for it. These flips are all personalized towards me. And you can see I got politics. I have a lot of AI stuff, a lot of marketing stuff. So we're going to go through here. 25 books will make you the most interesting person in the room. My go-to video editor, one of Microsoft's best-kept secrets, is about to get a big AI boost through Copilot. Say I want to share this. This is relative to one of my Flipboard boards. I copy the title. You can change the title if you want to. I just copy it. I'll go over to this plus. That's a sharing button. And this would be with SEO and digital marketing. I could share it too. It's related. Because everybody does video marketing when they're, a digital marketer. You're doing YouTube, you're doing videos, you're doing pretty much everything. And then we're going to go again. And we're going to share. I could share it to AI tools and technology. I wouldn't. These are directly related. Pro video editing and tips. So what you're going to do, Control plus V, it doesn't let you just paste, so you got to do Control plus V to paste. Click Add, you're done. It's already flipped onto the board. And it gets a little bigger when you do that. It's a little annoying, and you just got to go back to, after you do a couple flips, just put it back to normal size. And then we're going to do another one. And this will be my last one for this one, AI video editing for YouTube creators. We're going to go next. Control plus V. We're going to paste it, period at the end. Let me add the... Okay, hang on a minute. I don't know why this one didn't add the link. We're going to go back here a second. Let's try this one more time. Hit the plus. Hit next. Control plus V. Now we're good to go. Hit add and we're good to go. Flip. So you flipped into AI video editing for YouTube creators successfully. So we're good to go. Now, what you're going to want to do when you first get started here is create a board I would say that you're interested in to make it fun, but also a board that people are going to be interested in that could potentially get a lot of traffic. So that's kind of important, because if you're doing marketing, you're going to want to attract obviously eyeballs eventually to your boards, so they can get free traffic over to your website, your affiliate offers, whatever it is you're promoting. So I would say like something like mainstream, kind of like automotive, cars, so anything there's a lot of money in, a niche. Maybe you might be able to drill down into that niche a little bit to personalize it a little more, but something that has a good following is my point. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to do, obviously you're going to want to set up Flipboard first, and I showed you how to do that with ChatGPT. You got to download the app, and then you're going to select your interests, and then it's going to be able to tell from your interests what it shows you, and then you can flip those into your boards. So what you're going to do now is create a flip. You're going to want to do a new magazine. I have a bunch of them. I created too many, actually. I don't recommend doing this many different boards. I didn't know what I was doing a year ago. So you'll learn as you go, right? So I'd recommend just a handful of boards and post to them consistently. Like every day, post them 5 to 10 times. Real easy. Take 10, 15 minutes out of your day, post to them. Build it up, and then eventually you're going to start getting a lot of traffic from Flipboard if you start doing it correctly. So what you're going to do is hit New Magazine, and I'm trying to think of something that's popular. Say health and fitness. I mean, everybody loves health and fitness. It's a billion-dollar industry, multi-billion-dollar industry. Health and fitness products. This is just off the top of my head. Now you're going to want to add a short description to let others know what you collect and share in your magazine. If you don't want to do this, easy fix for this. Go over to your trusty friend ChatGPT, and then we're going to ask it a question. I want to add a description for my Flipboard new board titled, and this is my super prompt for human-like undetectable AI content, so it should make it very human-like. So it's not going to sound AI, and this passes AI detection. It's a really good prompt. If you got ChatGPT Plus, just come on over here, and I'll show you that in a minute here. You just put that in here, hit enter, and it's going to give you a description for it. Discover the latest and most effective health and fitness products to boost your wellness journey. This board features a curated selection of top-rated supplements, workout gear, and innovative gadgets designed to enhance your health and fitness routine. Stay informed about new trends, read expert reviews, and find the perfect products to help you achieve your fitness goals. Sounds good to me. See how easy that was? You don't have to write a word. Come over here, copy that. Go back over to Flipboard. Paste it into your description. You got up to 500 characters. This one was only 377. You can make it longer if you wanted to. Click Create. I'm going to have to delete this, but I'm going to do that right now. Now we got a new board created right here. Now all you do is basically what I kind of showed you. When you first sign up, you're going to say, I'm interested in health and fitness related products, and you could be interested in 10 other things, but they're going to show you health and fitness related flips. Similar to pins, just kind of like pins on Pinterest, but you got text with them as well, a lot more text. But you just go through here, say it was health and fitness. Drinking cranberry juice has an unexpected effect on a man's prostate health. Copy it, and you want to share it on health and fitness. Be the first one. Control plus V. Boom. Now the reason you're sharing other people's posts is Flipboard wants you to see activity. They don't want you just sharing all your stuff all day, because they want to see that you're sharing other people's stuff. Share your posts in periodically. Don't do it like constantly. Just like spam it with all your stuff. You'll get better results if you start sharing some stuff you find on the internet, from stuff you find on that's personalized to you that you can share on your board. Whatever it may be, you're going to get better results by sharing other people's stuff than if you just shared all your stuff, like spam and everything. So keep that in mind. So you can do like maybe 5-6 posts of other people's posts and then throw one of yours in there. Mix it up. But they like to see you out there and actually contributing to the community and not just spamming. So That's why you're doing this. So you're going through to find related boards and whatever pin you're in, whatever niche you're in, and whatever board you want to flip these to. So you just go through here, find one, search GPT is coming soon. 5 ways it might be different than Google. I could take this, copy the title, go on over to Chat GPT writing. It's related to that one. Click on that, hit next. Control+V, period at the end, hit add, done. See how quick that was? You go through here, you do this 10, 15 minutes a day, and you're good as gold, Eventually you're going to start getting, if it's a good niche and people are interested in it and it's got a lot of traffic potential, that's all you got to do. Share other people's stuff and then share your stuff periodically where you want traffic to go to. Now I'd go over, say I wanted somewhere like right here. This is a free, I'll leave a link to this below, but you can instantly create jaw-dropping YouTube videos with AI, free PDF to the top tools, and you can read this as you go. I also got a 1-hour video on how to create irresistible content with ChatGPT that ranks. Awesome video, 1 hour, free. Pick this up. Good product. Link below. But if I wanted to share this, I would just copy any of this. This is maybe the headline here. I can actually share both of them. We'll do the top two. Headline and subheadline. You hit copy and go over to Flipboard. And I'm going to show you on one of my blog posts as well, because I actually have the Flipboard app on here. Just create a flip. And we're going to go over to, this is related to, we'll go over to this one, Pro Video Editing Techniques. Hit next. Control+V. And let's see if this, I might need to copy the URL. Yes, I do. Okay, no big deal. So what we do is we put the URL in this field too. Make sure you do that. Make sure you see a picture pop up so you know you're good to go. Now, if you don't have the Flipboard pin on whatever page, you got to do this manually. It's not a big deal. Easy. Hit OK. Good to go. And that's all you do. Then you go over to, let's say I want to share something else on my blog. I'm going to go to my About Me page, scroll down, and say it's one of these. I'll pick any of them. This is my latest one. And we just go over to, see I got these cool share buttons on my site. So this is Flipboard right here. All you got to do is click that. I copy the link, come back. I don't think you even need really to do that. Just do it just in case, because I don't want to go back and forth. Create a flip. And that's about video editing. Hit next. Control+V to paste it. Make sure you click that link button at the bottom because you want to get the link in there as well. So the picture shows up. Click OK. You're good to go. See that nice picture of a video editor with YouTube and the AI robot shows up. Click add. Bam, good to go. So that's basically all you're going to do with this tool. It's real simple to use. And if you stay consistent with it, over time you're going to build up traffic. I'm starting to notice quite a bit of traffic. Not as much as I'd like, but there's people like I've seen different podcasts where they're getting like 50,000, 100,000 visitors a month from just using Flipboard. But they were consistent on it. They're basically the same stuff I'm telling you. It's kind of the same stuff they're doing to grow their Flipboard following. They're sharing other people's content and throwing in their own content. Like 1 out of 7 posts you share maybe. Or just mix it up is what I'm saying. They like to see you contributing to the community, and then as a result, they're going to reward you with a bunch of free traffic to your blog posts, your affiliate offers, your YouTube videos, whatever it is that you as a marketer are promoting. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. What is Flipboard and how to use Flipboard as a marketer to get free traffic and make some money. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button below. The link to my free PDF will be down below. I'll also leave a link to Flipboard down there, and that'll be the first link in the video description. Second one will be to the PDF. If you got any comments, feel free to send any comments or let me know about any comments or questions you have in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.